prepare for the puppet show tonight, we want you to know that you will see a few guest appearances from some very friendly faces. If you don't see your face in this show, it's not that we don't love you. It's that this family is gigantic. And we don't want a 3-hour play. Come on. This isn't Lord of the Rings Extended Edition. Izzy, are you excited? So, without further ado, where are Santa's boots?
Gosh, Santa can never find his black boots when he needs them.
I know. I don't know why Mrs. Claus sends us up to the attic to come find them. They are his boots.
Let's see what we have. First, the first saving is Preston. Oh, that's never been used. The set of nativity clothes? It looks like they've never been used. A half-eaten container of Play-Doh? It's definitely been used. Y'all who's done that.
Elfie, why do you have my backpack?
I don't.
Come on, Elfie. Get back to work.
Wait, what's this? I've never seen it before. Christmas future? Christmas past? Christmas present? What does that even mean?
Well, I have a good friend that was well known for pushing buttons. She should have been, and it has never came out wrong. So why don't we give it a spin?
Okay, Rudolph.
Where are Elfie and Rudolph? It's Christmas Eve. I need those boots right away.
Oh, I'm sure they're around here. What about your question act?
Dear, even if my Crocs are in sports mode, my Crocs will not hold up all night. Now, some new Travis Scotts, maybe. But I need those boots, or Christmas will be doomed!
Where are we?
I would say the beach, but it's about 70 degrees and windy. I don't know why anyone would swim here.
Well, hello! I am the ghost of Christmas past.
Christmas past? We don't need anything for the past. We're looking for Santa's boots. We need them now.
Well, let me ask this nice family over here. Maybe they know.
We were looking for Santa's boots. Anyone seen them?
I don't have boots, but I got an extra pair of one-piece pajamas you can have. I just drank from a puddle of water, so I can't quite think straight. And I don't remember seeing any boots.
Boots? I don't see any boots. I don't know how you can see anything out there.
What? Back in the knee. This person's a baby.
It's so cold. Why do we always come here when it's windy? It's me.
I will pee on anyone that needs
This is ridiculous. These people are no help, and the boots are nowhere to be found. Only flip-flops and sandals. We have to get out of here. Spin that spinner again.
Curtain close.
Where are we now? I've never seen this place before.
Who are you?
The ghost of Christmas future. It is sure nice to talk to people. I've been stuck on Raccoon Island for the past 20 years. And believe me, they do not make great companions. It's all mimit this and mimit it. Alright, I want to see 25 more backflips.
Let's go talk to that scary lady over there. Maybe she knows where the boots are.
What are you two doing here? I'm in the middle of a tumbling class. I hate all my students. Well, Mama's got to make some money.
We don't want to cause any trouble. We're just looking for Santa's boots. Christmas is almost here, and we desperately need them.
Guys, this is a tumbling gym. No one's even wearing shoes. Now I need you to get out. I've got a lesson about to start. Very wealthy family. But don't ask me how the husband and wife got together. It doesn't make sense to me either.
All right, sweeties, have fun in your home and your lesson. Let's get out of here. I have some serious shopping to do.
Okay. We are doomed. We aren't anywhere closer to getting those boots, and Christmas is almost here. Spin that wheel.
We are doomed. Doomed.
We are never going to be able to find Santa's boots in time. Christmas will be ruined, and will be all our fault.
It's times like these that you really wish someone could pull out a motivational speech or something. Because I'm about ready to quit here.
Okay.
Ghost, a Christmas present. My name is Chico, and I have a special message to share with you. I was born in a big hole with many other siblings, but I was unique. I am sweet like a chocolate bar and very dark. Many say I have a kind spirit, even though I am dark. The color doesn't matter at all, and it won't to Santa either.
What do we have to do, Elfie? Quick, spin that wheel and let's go back to Santa.
Thank you, Magical Bunny. That you purchased 9 months ago. Thank you, owners, for the Magical Bunny, for giving us the signature haircut and Photoshop skills that we desperately need in 2023. You are truly a past, present, and future.
What's the more tours?
What a great idea, pulling out Gingy's old cowboy boots. Boots are boots, whether they are light or dark.
Wise words, my dear. Where did you find these boots anyway?
In the fruit room, of course.
There seems to be a dead hamster in this one, but we can take care of that later. Thank you for finding me boots. I can now go and deliver the presents for all of the good little girls and boys. Elfie, Rudolph, you have saved Christmas once again.
Yay!